This video provides general information about supplementary registration. What is supplementary registration? A supplementary registration is a special type of registration that may be used to correct an error or to amplify the information in an existing registration. What is a correction? You may correct an error in an existing registration if it contains information that was incorrect when the office issued the certificate of registration for a particular work. For example, a supplementary registration may be used to correct a spelling error, to provide the correct date of publication for a published work, or to identify the correct author of the work if the wrong person was named on the certificate. What is an amplification? You may amplify the information that appears in an existing registration by adding information that should have been included in the registration when the office issued the certificate, or by clarifying the information appearing in the certificate. For example, you may add the name of a co-author who should have been included on the certificate, or clarify the claim to copyright in the work. And in some cases, a supplementary registration may be used to reflect certain events that have occurred since the office issued the certificate. For example, you may indicate that the author changed his or her name or moved to a new address. Supplementary registration not appropriate. Certain issues cannot be addressed with a supplementary registration. A supplementary registration cannot be used to register a work that has never been registered before. It cannot be used to register a revised version of a work that was previously registered with the office. It cannot be used to correct an error or omission in a pending application. And a supplementary registration cannot be used to reflect a change in ownership that has occurred since the office issued a certificate of registration. For a complete list of issues that can and cannot be addressed with a supplementary registration, please follow the link at the end of this video. Filing a supplementary registration. As a general rule, you must complete and submit an application through the Copyright Office's electronic registration system to file a supplementary registration. Completing the online application. To access the electronic registration system, go to the Copyright Office's website, log into your account, select the option for Correct or Amplify an existing registration, and then follow the instructions on each screen. Paying the non-refundable filing fee. Once you have completed the application, you must pay a non-refundable filing fee. The fee may be paid with a credit card, an electronic transfer from your bank account, or an active deposit account you have established with the Copyright Office. To pay by credit card or electronic transfer, you will be taken to a new screen to complete payment through the government website pay.gov. Step-by-step instructions. The office has prepared a separate video that provides step-by-step instructions for completing the application and paying the filing fee. To access this video, visit the following page on our website. May I use a paper application? A paper application may only be used to correct or amplify the information in a renewal registration, a GAT registration, or a group registration for a non-photographic database. If you attempt to use a paper application to supplement any other type of registration, the office will ask you to resubmit the claim using the online application and pay a new filing fee. Special exceptions. In exceptional cases, the Copyright Office may waive certain filing requirements. For example, if you do not have a computer, or if you do not have access to the Internet, you may ask the office to waive the online application requirement. A request for a waiver must be made in writing. It should explain why you are unable to submit an online application, or why you are unable to submit a digital copy of your works. The office will consider requests to waive the filing requirement on a case-by-case basis. Relationship between an existing registration and a supplementary registration. When the Copyright Office issues a supplementary registration, it does not change the information in the existing registration, nor does it cancel or replace the certificate for that registration. The office will add cross-references to the record for the existing registration, indicating that it has been supplemented by a supplementary registration. And the office will add a similar cross-reference to the record for the supplementary registration, indicating that it is a supplement to the existing registration. These cross-references are intended to alert the public that the existing registration has been corrected or amplified by a supplementary registration, and that both records should be consulted. Additional information. For more information concerning this topic, including the types of issues that can and cannot be addressed with the supplementary registration, please visit the office's website and download our circular on supplementary registration number 8.